What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm back, guys. Just want to show you real quick. Look what came in today. Some drop cards I ordered for Digital Wealth Pros. These are some great marketing tools, okay, that you can drop. As you can see right here, I folded up just a few so you can see how it looks. Just fold them up when you're out and about, living life, getting gas, going to the grocery store, whatever you're doing. Drop a few of these along the way. People will pick them up because they look so real. They look like $100 bills. And when they do, either they're going to throw it back on the ground, which is fine, okay, or they will actually take a look at it, okay? And I have a pin covering up the domain because I have a different domain for these so that I'll know that they actually came from the drop card. So at any rate, check it out. Fire Your Boss, Create a Better Lifestyle. This is a pretty catchy dollar bill here, okay? So you may want to order you some of these. If you've joined me already, reach out to me. I'll tell you where you can get these from. They're very reasonable, and this is a part of your marketing, okay? We're always marketing, right? So this is just another way to market Digital Wealth Pros. As you know, with this program, you're able to make $200, $400, and $800 commissions plus the overrides that we get, okay? So I'm going to put the link in the description. Go check it out, www.earnwithpandora.com. Get started with me. We're going to do the first 30 days of marketing for you if you get started with me. And that will take the stress off of you guys, okay, for the first 30 days. If you like the results you're getting, then you can join our co-op, all right? So if you have any questions about this, just reach out to me, all right? Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.